Welcome to a weekend in my life.
We're going back to the Hamptons. I'm so excited. And we're taking a lot of stuff with us. You wouldn't be able to tell based on all of the stuff that I packed, but this is actually just gonna be a day trip out to the Hamptons. I literally packed 3 bags full of things because I'm gonna try and take as much advantage of today as I can. It's been a second since I've shot any content for Instagram, and based on the goals that I have for this year with my Instagram, I should probably be pushing out more content than I am. So I'm hoping I can take maybe 3 sets of photos that I can dish out at different times during this week and the following. And since I have both of my parents at my disposal, they're always very helpful with this kind of stuff, so I'm sure I'll be able to get that done. But my parents also have lots of things that they have to do at the house anyway, so that's why we're going out there in the first place. We actually have lots of new updates that I get to show you. Our basement is completely done and looks actually not completely done, but it looks a lot better than it did, and I can show you guys that. My parents' room is getting renovated, and we have new decor pieces for the living room, so lots of fun things. And right now we're at a tile and stone place for our backyard because we got rid of the deck and we're building a patio. So everything looks really good, and I know that you guys love home renovations and stuff like that, so I'm sure you guys will love that. But right now it's only 11 o'clock, and in order for today to be a very productive day, I want to stop for Dunkin', of course, so I'm nice and hyped up. There's a man watching me film this clip right now. Hello. And the entire time that we were driving out here, I was listening to Olivia Rodrigo's new song. If you guys haven't listened to Driver's License, you need to go listen to it. It is absolutely phenomenal. I feel like some people might get mad at me for saying this, but I think she's the next Taylor Swift because her lyrics are incredible. She's just has so much star potential, and she's so young. So I'm calling that right now. Her voice is absolutely stunning, and if you guys haven't listened to that, make sure to do it and then let me know what you think. What it is, but vlogging in this house always just makes me extra happy. I realized that I gained quite a few subscribers towards the end of October, so some of you guys might not know where I am right now, but as we speak, I am in my family's summer house. It was my parents' biggest dream, biggest accomplishment, and I'm so proud of them. We got it about 2 years ago, so the past year and a half has just been filled with so many renovations, and it's really done a full 180. So I'll show you guys some updates in a little bit. But I also love filming here. It just makes me feel so inspired to get a change in scenery. So now that I finished my makeup, I'm ready to get started on the content for the day. So the first order of business is that I want to film a what's on my iPhone video. I feel like these videos are pretty straightforward, so it shouldn't take me that long, but I am kind of behind on my upload schedule right now because I want to upload my what's on my iPhone video tomorrow, and I haven't filmed it, nor have I edited it. So I should probably get on that right now. I also just got an audio message from Lisa, surprise, surprise. And hopefully I can bang this out within the next hour. I feel like it might not even take me that long if I can actually get my words out, which sometimes I simply cannot. And then after that, oh, I see my dad in the backyard. After that, then I get to go and take pictures. Today, I'm going to be showing you what is on my iPhone 12, as well as how I've been able to make my home screens look so cool using iOS 14. Filming that video was incredibly successful. I actually think I liked it a lot more than I thought I was going to. And now the next stop of the day is to go take a picture. I have been dying to take a picture in these leather pants for a while, and since I don't think I'll be going anywhere anytime soon, I figure I might just take it upon myself to take it, and of course with the help of my dad, and hopefully we can get something good. Does that make sense what I just said? Okay. To the brim with Chinese food. We just finished up a late lunch, early dinner. I feel like I'm gonna end up eating the same thing in about 2 hours, but I'm not complaining because it was really good. And now I figured I could give you guys some house updates. Our basement isn't totally done, but it looks a lot different from the last time you saw it. So let's start here. This is what we're working with right now. The basement looks so good and so cozy. You guys might recognize this couch if you watched my vlogs from over the summer. This couch used to be in my family room upstairs upstairs, but we ended up switching things around. We got a new one from upstairs and moved this down here, which I'm honestly super happy about because this is honestly probably the most comfortable couch I've ever sat on, and it'll be really nice to be able to hang out down here and watch some movies. We also brought down this sectional seat so it can match the sofa. This one was also upstairs. And then over in this back corner, we have what's gonna be my dad's office. This desk was in my parents' room while the basement was under construction, but now that it's done, this is where my dad's gonna end up working. And then in all of this free space, I think we're gonna try and make this a gaming section. So we're gonna have a ping pong table and a foosball table, all of that fun stuff. And then back there, I don't know what's gonna go on back there. I guess we'll see. As for the family room, this is what it's looking like right now. We ended up getting this new sofa in this beautiful navy blue color. I think my mom just wanted to darken up this room a little bit because it's a lot of white, and I absolutely love it. I just think it's so unique looking. And then above the couch, now we have these 3 prints, as well as over here, we have a big print. Oh, and then, hold on, this one's one of my favorites because we waited for this for a long time. Hold on. And then we got this big print for our entryway. We waited like, I wanna say a month and a half for this thing, but it was definitely worth it because I think it makes it look so, so cool. And then as for the living room, everything looks pretty much the same. Please ignore my tripod, except for the fact that we got this massive mirror. I showed this in one of my Instagram stories recently, and I got a lot of DMs about it because you guys love it. I just love a good big mirror. I feel like this just opens up the space so much more, and it's so cool looking. Nothing really to see here in the kitchen. My bedroom is exactly the same as it was, and now my parents are doing the finishing touches on their room. So once they're done with that, and before we leave, I can show you guys what it looks like. But the second they added the bed frame, it really just transformed the entire space. So I'll show you guys that in a second. Good morning, it's Sunday, which means it's upload day, and I am posting my video in 3 minutes, which means my alarm to post my video is going off in 1 minute. I want to see how much I could try and get done in the time before my alarm went off, because I still haven't made breakfast. I was doing some finishing touches on the video this morning. There it is. Okay, I don't know how you guys are gonna like this video. Hopefully you like it a lot. I have a feeling it's not gonna perform too well, so if you guys haven't already seen it, make sure to go watch it. But I guess we'll see. Let's go upload. Mission accomplished, and now we're back to making breakfast.
My driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. But no one didn't see what you brought in the song about me.
I just ate that so freaking fast. It's actually kind of concerning, but now I want coffee. Should I order coffee? Should I see if Amanda wants to go get coffee? Or should I just make it myself? I have made my decision. I'm gonna go out and get coffee with Amanda. Amanda's also with her boyfriend, Jason, so I get to see both of them, which is fun. I threw on this outfit really quickly. I'm just wearing this sweatshirt from Champion. Jacket is from Urban. Leggings are Fabletics, and my shoes are Air Force Ones. Thank you. Have a good one. Like a gentleman. Thanks, Mr. Bob. Hi. That was such a fun outing. It definitely took a turn in the sense where I thought I was going out just for coffee, but I ended up staying out for quite a few hours. It was me, Amanda, and Amanda's boyfriend, and then one of their friends, and it was a lot of fun. I had a really, really good time. I think they're my favorite couple to third wheel because it never feels uncomfortable. It's just, I don't know, it just feels like 3 friends hanging out. So I had a really good day, very spontaneous, but I'm happy it happened. After getting coffee and breakfast, I ended up going to Sephora with them, and I picked up some very unnecessary things, but I'm actually really excited about all of them, so I figured I could show you really fast. The first thing that I got was the Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream. I recently got another eye cream, but I'm kind of in search for the perfect one, and this was only $10. So definitely super affordable, especially in comparison to other things that they sell at Sephora. So I'll let you guys know what I think about this one. And then the other thing that I got kind of along the same lines is the Becca Instant Awake 3 Steps to Bright Eyes kit. I saw this on TikTok and it was brought to my attention by Amanda, and the results that people get from this thing is ridiculous. The one thing that I've always struggled with when it comes to my face and I guess just my makeup in general is my under eyes. So I figured this can't hurt, and it was only $39. And suddenly it's dinner time. It's 6:40 right now. I definitely didn't vlog for a little bit after I got home because I was just relaxing, and I was actually practicing singing Olivia Rodrigo's new song. So I don't know if it covers in the future, but it was definitely a lot of fun to practice that. And I think I'm gonna heat up leftovers for dinner. So let's see if we can do that now. True or false, Chinese food tastes better on day 2 than day 1?
I think better on day 1, but I'm not a huge leftover fan.
Oh, I like my leftovers. I think it tastes better on day 2. That video that I said I didn't think was gonna do well is ranked #1. I have no idea. This is the second night in a row that I'm going to bed feeling full to the brim with Chinese food, and not a single part of me is complaining. I feel like I don't eat Chinese food nearly enough as I should because I enjoy it so much. And you didn't need to know that, but now you know. I do have work tomorrow, which means I can't just go to bed like I normally would and honestly would love to. I have to leave my room in tip-top shape and just get myself completely ready for the workday tomorrow. I guess in the future I can do a full in-depth night routine for right before work as well as a morning routine. But as for tonight, I just checked my calendar and my first meeting tomorrow isn't until 10:30, which is great. But I always log on to Slack and my work email by 9 the latest, just so I can be totally prepared just in case anybody needs me, which means I finish my morning routine by 8:30. As I was getting ready for bed, I just keep on thinking about all of these things that I can't wait to do when the world is back to what our new normal will be. And of course it's not going to be for a really long time, but I just keep on envisioning myself traveling and envisioning myself dating and all of these things that are kind of put on pause right now that I'm just so excited to get back to. And I'm sure that you guys have a whole host of things that you're excited to get back to too. So in a means to end this video, I would love for you guys to comment down below the #1 thing that you're looking forward to getting back to when the world opens up again. I just said probably my top 2. Traveling is obviously my #1. I can't wait to take so many trips when this shit is over. I just need to get on a plane so badly, and it doesn't even need to be Europe. Like, I want to go to Hawaii. I want to go to, I don't know, I would even go to Florida. Like, I just want to go somewhere, you know? And I also want to stop wasting my 20s. I think this is the time that I should be going out and meeting new people and dating and doing all those fun things. So it's only a matter of time, because I am hoping that there's a light at the end of the tunnel very soon, but we'll get there eventually. I'm excited to hear what you guys are looking forward to, and on that note, I'm gonna head to bed because I have work tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching however long this video was. I don't really know how long it was. I feel like I didn't chat that much. Maybe I should have. Next time, okay? Next time I promise it will be more chatty. But regardless, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you on Sunday. Bye.